Today we are going to learn ABG. To learn ABG, we need the pH level, the partial carbon dioxide level, the bicarbonate level, sodium, potassium and the chloride level. We'll learn the ABG in 6 steps. Step 1. Is it acidosis or alkalosis? Step 2. Is it due to respiratory cause or due to metabolic cause? Step 3. Is there any compensation occurs or not? Step 4. The compensation within the limit or not? Step 5. Anion gap checking. Step 6. Bicarbonate gap checking. We'll discuss step 1 and step 2 in this video. Step 1. For step 1, we'll check pH. We know the normal level of pH is 7.35 to 7.45. If the pH is increased in the body, we'll say it alkalosis. If the pH is decreased, we'll say it is acidosis. Then we go to the step 2. Is it due to respiratory cause or due to metabolic cause? We know the partial carbon dioxide level in our body is 35 to 45 mm mercury, which is the normal level, and the bicarbonate level is 22 to 26 milliequivalent per liter, and it is the normal level. And we'll consider partial carbon dioxide for any respiratory cause and bicarbonate for any metabolic cause. If the carbon dioxide enters into the body, it will react with the water and it will form carbonic acid, and though it is an acidic compound, it will decrease the pH level. The partial carbon dioxide, if increased in the body, it will produce more acid and it will decrease the pH level, so we'll say it the respiratory due to carbon dioxide, and though the pH is decreased, we'll call it as acidosis. And if the partial carbon dioxide is decreased, it will not produce more acid, so the pH will increase, and we will call it respiratory alkalosis. And then we go to the metabolic. If the partial carbon dioxide, the bicarbonate level is increased, it will increase the pH, though it is a basic compound. Bicarbonate level increase, pH increase, we know it is alkalosis, and bicarbonate it is metabolic compound, so we'll call it metabolic alkalosis. Bicarbonate level decrease, it means base is decreased, so the pH is decreased, so the pH go in the favor of acidosis. And the bicarbonate decrease, bicarbonate is metabolic compound, so we'll call it metabolic acidosis. Let's do a math. If our pH is 7.2, bicarbonate 15, and partial carbon dioxide 45. pH 7.2, which is lower than normal level, bicarbonate 15, it is also lower than normal level, and the partial carbon dioxide is 45, and it is within the limit, normal limit. So the pH is decreased, it means there is acidosis, and the bicarbonate level decreased, it means there is also acidosis. The bicarbonate is decreased, bicarbonate, so it is a metabolic cause, and the pH is decreased, it is a acidosis, so we'll say it metabolic acidosis. I just wrong in this case. Acidosis, it is metabolic acidosis. Thank you for watching this video.